Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to change app icons on Windows 11. First, let's download the image we want to use. I'll use this copyright-free image as an example. You can use any image you like or even one you've drawn. Put it on the desktop. To use it as an icon, we need to convert it to an ICO file. Go to any online converter and search for PNG to ICO in Google. Here. Select our file and click Convert. It's converting now. Download it. Now it's downloaded. I'll put it on the desktop. Now let's choose the app we want to change the icon for. Select it, right-click and choose Properties. Click Customize, then Change Icon. Find our new icon, click OK, Apply, and OK again. There you go. To change system icons like the recycle bin, go to Settings, then Personalization. Okay. Choose Themes. Here are the desktop icons. Let's change the recycle bin icon. Click Change, select our new icon file, and click Open. Then click OK, and the icon will change. That's it for today. See you next time.